Another video from Fastech. I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the faceplate on an Xbox One original. Now, if your Xbox One isn't turning on, or if you've dropped your Xbox One and it's not turning on anymore, and there's no beep or sound, you could have a problem with the faceplate or the ribbon cable that's attached to the faceplate. And it also, if you water damage your console, in certain cases the faceplate gets damaged because it is an electronic component. And if that doesn't work, your console is not going to turn on. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the faceplate with a replacement faceplate. We sell the faceplate on our website, and I'm going to be putting the link in the description. So let's start. To start off, you're going to be removing the top panel. This piece just comes right out. It's all plastic tabs, and put that on the side. I'm going to remove the sync button housing, like so. Just slides out. And we're going to be releasing the clips that are underneath here. You can push one side down and then lift the other, and the clips should get disengaged. Then we're just going to pull the back clips till they get released, like so. But you want to be careful because you don't want to damage the ribbon cable on the faceplate, even though it might be broken at this point anyways. But if it's just in case it's not broken, you don't want to damage it, so just be very, very careful. That's the ribbon cable right there that connects to the front RF board of the console. We're going to remove the ribbon cable by releasing the clip, like so. And now we have the top case housing and the faceplate detached. We're going to remove the faceplate from the case by disengaging the clips at the front. Put our old faceplate to the side, and we're going to install our new faceplate. So, in some instances, your RF board could also be damaged. So if the faceplate replacement does not work, then you might want to try replacing the RF board. If that doesn't work, it could be an issue with the main board, which is a totally separate repair. So we're going to install the faceplate. The bottom goes in first, and you can just kind of line up the clips and then you got to attach the ribbon cable. Again, be very, very careful with the ribbon cable. They're very, very sensitive. Cable in. Slide the faceplate in place. I'm going to put the top case back on. The top case, the back goes in first, like so. I'm going to stick the faceplate out just a little so we can seat the front case, or the top case down. And then once that happens, we're going to push the faceplate in, and you're going to hear it click. And now we're going to put the sync button back in place and the top cover back on. So it's as easy as that. It literally probably took me less than 5 minutes. Yeah, and it should, if the faceplate was the issue, it should be fixed. But you might want to also replace your faceplate because you might have a custom faceplate, and maybe you want to put that on. So this video might also help you in that case. Don't forget to comment on our videos, subscribe and like, and leave us a comment if you have any questions. We try to get back to as many people as we can if we're not too busy. But yeah, thank you for watching.